and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. Honorable Guest of Honor, Miss S. Dharini Arun, Regional Director, CBSE Regional Office Noida, emphasized CBSE's strong focus on skill education and AI integration, supported through continuous handholding through seminars, workshops, and centers of excellence. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Sonal. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. Today we have a very special guest with us and I am pleasure to introduce her to you. She is Miss S. Dharini Arun. She is the Regional Director of CBSE Regional Office Noida. So welcome to the exhibition, ma'am.
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
how's your experience being here?
My experience every time whenever I come to this city, it's enthralling because for different occasions I have come earlier for conduct of CTT examination. I have come here. I get wholehearted support from all the schools located here, and KL International has been the city coordinator, and they have been entrusted the job of other exams as well. So their way of working and their delivering things as per our SOPs and guidelines is glitch free. So hats off to the school and its team.
Agree with you, ma'am.
Yeah.
So my first question to you would be that what are the most common challenges CBSE schools in this region face while implementing NEP 2020 reforms, and how is the regional office helping them overcome these?
The challenges, I would say that some schools do not take our circulars seriously. We have come out with many circulars, be it examination matter, be it academic matter, be it skill development, or be it administrative matters. So my first and foremost request to all the school principals and the school leaders is to read the CBSE circulars issued from time to time very meticulously. Half the journey is over when you go through it. And if you don't, you need clarity. Regional office is always there. One can reach out to us and then seek clarity in the matter. So that way, whatever the changes that we are bringing so far, even say, for example, the recent one, the 2 board examination, which is planned in the year 2026, that also, whatever the issues are, they can reach out to us. We will definitely solve them.
Okay, ma'am. That was really nice hearing from you. So, ma'am, next question would be that with skill subjects made mandatory for classes 6 and 8 and AI integration in teaching, how prepared are schools and teachers in your region, and what training or support is being provided?
Skill is one aspect. A lot of emphasis is being given on skill education. We want to make our students prepared for the future world. And skilling is an integral part of learning. So skill subject Kaushal board, then again I'll say that skill education unit has come out with various circulars, and there are several conferences and seminars held to do the handholding with all the stakeholders. Stakeholders are nothing but our CBSE schools. We are increasing more and more by numbers. At the same time, we as regional office head and as a center of excellence, which is located in each CBSE regional office, we are having seminars, workshops, and other related activities so that children are able to plan their future and also plan their career in future days to come. Skilling has so far been not so given due importance, but with Kaushal Vidya, the skilling part plays an important role in future development and career prospects for the students.
Yes, ma'am, I agree with you completely. I mean, I resonate with you. Ma'am, in cases where schools lack proper infrastructure or qualified teachers, so how do regional offices enforce minimum safety and learning standards on the ground?
We have put in place many do's and don'ts. And our several circulars have been issued by affiliation bylaws, that, what are the infrastructures which is essential for running a school, and what are the, provisions that they are making for special children. Inclusivity is being emphasized upon. So all these areas, we have put in place the SOPs. Infrastructure, if I say, then even the labs, the library, the digital infrastructure needs to be enhanced if they fail short of it. And all these SOPs are very much given in our affiliation website. And there are several circulars right from 2021 onwards. And as well as some mandatory disclosure the schools are supposed to put in their own website. These are the things that we have taken care of. One or two schools may be erring, but we do the hand-holding through our training unit, as well as regional office also ensures that any kind of lacuna is found during the implementation part. We do come in picture and take stern action.
Okay, ma'am, like after asking such serious questions to you, I would like to give you a message to the students, to their parents watching you right now, or to the educators, to the principals of different schools. A message to all of them.
Life is beautiful. Enjoy the journey with your children. Do the hand-holding with the school. Do the hand-holding with the teachers. They are the real gurus. They are the, career maker for your children. And I'm sure if you walk hand in hand with the school as well as the teachers, you have, bigger heights to achieve. And once you start having curiosity in you and inculcate the habit of reading as well as enjoying the school life, the entire world is before you. Enjoy the journey thoroughly. When you start doing things and when you start learning new things, I'm sure you will have curiosity to learn more and be a good citizen. Even at times, teachers may say certain things to do or not to do. Take it in a positive manner. They are our well-wishers.
Yes,
teachers are like ladders. They give you way to rise up. So please ensure that give due regard to the ladder that you are using.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your valuable thoughts. And it was my pleasure to having you here, ma'am.
Pleasure is equally
Thank
mine.
You so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
With this impactful discussion, we extend our sincere gratitude to the Honorable Ma'am for sharing her visionary thoughts on the EduLeaders show. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.